Thank you for taking our time to watch this video. So today we're going to look into a very interesting concept in Java, which is string constant pull. So this concept, basically string is used everywhere, right? String is an object in Java, and what this string constant pull is, it is inside heap memory, and you could say it's a constant pull or it's a fixed pull. So any new string is actually first put into this pool, and if the is uh, same string literally is used, then it is referred from the string constant pool instead of creating a new object. We'll look into this as an example. So here is the example. So we have these six literals, name 1, name 2, name 3, name 6. So first one, name 1, name 2, name 3. They were initialized directly with string name 1 equals to Kevin. Since the name was or the value was same, so it got created in the intern pool or the constant pool. So name 1, name 2, and name 3, they are referring to the same object in the intern pool. Now let's look at the name 4. What name 4 is, it will create a new object in the heap memory. So this is the difference when we directly initialize the string variable compared to when we use new operator. So another new object when we use new, even though the literally same. Now coming to the sixth one, the new object is created in heap memory, plus the value is added in intern pool as it is not present in the intern pool. So this is what the string constant pool does. So mostly you should be trying to use this one, and there is one more method, .intern method. Using that method, we can force the string to be part of the intern pool. Now we look at some examples also. Now, first one, S1 hello and S2 hello. So these are directly initialized. So these will be part of the constant pool, and hence these two are referring to the same object in the constant pool. Now the second one, both of them value is same hello, but we are using new string, hence it is creating two new objects in heap. Now another one, literal plus new string. So here we have hello. So S1 is referring to the hello in the intern pool. S2 is hello, but using the new string. Hence the object is created in heap memory. Now string concatenation, hello plus world, and S2 is hello world. So in this case, since there is a plus operator, this both goes into the string constant pool as hello world, and the next string is also referring to the same value, hence it is referring to the same object. Now this is compile time, that is why it worked, but in runtime the things would be different. So world is one value in string constant pool or object. Now in the runtime, hello plus string. So this is the string value from the first variable will be concatenated. So hello is in the constant pool, but hello world It's a completely new object. So here you can see a new object is created. So in this case, at the runtime string concatenation, new object is created in the heap memory. As far as S2 is concerned, it will be part of string constant pool. And using intern, now this method will force the value to go into the string constant pool. Now first S1 is created using new. Hence, there is a object in the heap memory. S2 uses S1.intern. So that is why it is referring to the string constant pool. S3 is Java, so directly from the constant pool. Now the seventh scenario, which is string.value of. So when you do a string.value of 100 is an integer. Internally, it will call integer.toString, and hence it will create new objects in the heap memory. So that is why you are seeing two new objects, and these two are not matching. Now intern with. So if you want to force it, then you should use dot intern. Then it will be part of string constant pool. So here are different scenarios. A equals to A is true. New string A and new string A. Even though the value is same, but they are not equal. Reason being, two new objects are created. They are not part of the string constant pool. Hence it is false. A equals to new string. This is part of string constant pool. But this is not. Hence it is false. A plus B equals to AB. It will be true because this is compile time concatenation. Hence it will work. String A equals to A. Then there is A plus this string A equals to A. This will be false because this is runtime concatenation. Hence it is not matching. These are different objects. New string A dot intern equals to A. Now, since you have used intern, it will be forced into the constant pool after new, right? And then this is from string constant pool. That is why it is matching. Now, string dot value of 10 equals to string dot value of 10. Why false? Because when we pass integer, right, internally, it will use integer dot toString. It is kind of new string. So it will create objects. One object for this, other object for this. So these are not matching. These are two different objects. Hopefully, these scenarios will also help you understand and basically make you an expert about the string constant pool.